Hey there, welcome back to Wiki. If you're tired of wondering where your money goes every month, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you how to track your expenses like a pro, so you can take control of your finances and make your money work for you. 1. Why track your expenses? Let's start with a question. Do you know exactly where your money went last month? If your answer is no, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people have no idea how much they spend on small things like coffee, snacks, or even subscriptions. But here's the thing, tracking your expenses is the first step to understanding your spending habits. When you know where your money is going, it's easier to find ways to save and plan for your future. 2. Simple methods to track your expenses. Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Here are 3 simple ways to get started. 1. Use a notebook. One of the easiest ways to track expenses is by writing them down in a notebook. Every time you make a purchase, jot it down, whether it's a cup of coffee or a new pair of shoes. At the end of the week, review your list. You might be surprised by how much you're spending on little things. 2. Use a budgeting app. If you prefer using your phone, there are tons of great apps out there that can make tracking your expenses easy and automatic. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard help you track every transaction, categorize your spending, and even give you alerts when you're close to overspending. 3. Try the envelope system. This old-school method still works. Take several envelopes and label them with different spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Put a set amount of cash in each envelope at the beginning of the month. When the cash is gone, you stop spending in that category. It's a great way to keep your spending under control. 3. How to stick with it. The hardest part of tracking expenses isn't starting, it's sticking with it. Here's how to make it a habit. Set a weekly review time, pick one day each week to go over your expenses. This helps you spot any trends and adjust your spending before it gets out of hand. Celebrate small wins. Did you save money this week? Great! Treat yourself with something small, like a movie night at home. It's important to reward yourself for sticking to your plan. Be honest with yourself. If you overspend, don't beat yourself up. Tracking expenses isn't about being perfect, it's about learning and improving over time. 4. The benefits of tracking expenses. When you track your expenses, you gain control over your money. You'll notice where you're spending too much, and you'll find areas where you can save. Over time, this can help you build up an emergency fund, pay off debt faster, and even start investing for your future. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, start tracking your expenses today. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips from Wiki. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.